guys, so I'm here with my flip through finally with the Medieval Mirage journal. It took quite a while to do. A bit was done off camera, as you know, and then most of it was done on camera. So the cover, as you know, was really grungy, and I still need to Mod Podge that. And then it's got the tag in there, and then in the cover we've got this pocket with a little tag in it, and then we've got this tag here that has a pocket and a tag in the pocket. I won't pull it all out because I'm a bit fumbly today. And then I just put some of my scrappy trim down the side. That was a collage page I did in one of the earlier videos. We've got a pocket here with a tag. I did put some washi tape down the edges of some of the old pages because of the original pages of the book, because they are you know, quite grungy and fragile. This has the envelope that has the cards inside of it, which I absolutely love, and I lined it so it can be written on, put it that way. And then these are some pages. So this was 2 kits. One was the add-on and one were the journal pages, and I had printed them slightly smaller. A couple of the pages I used to do the collaging, so this page, and then what was left over I made a couple of tags and things out of it. So there's a journal card, a tag in there. Super fun kits to play with, Jaff's kit. She's very clever. This is a tuck. I folded the page over, glued it down on the edges, and it's a tuck, and then it's got this flippy journal card that I made. And I just added that leftover pane there. Was like a window pane sort of thing. I just glued that on there to decorate it. Little corner tuck there with a journal card. Just yummy pages they are. Really, really yummy. That's a flip, and it's got a tag in it. That flips out like so. I put tabs here and there on the pages, as you know. Then just a journal card in there, and that's a tuck. So these are good as tucks. You could make a bigger journal card and put that as your focal point. And they're also good by themselves as little journal cards too. So they've got many possibilities. Here is the original. That's one of the Jaff's side tucks, and then that's just a little journal card. And this is the original page, 1807, the book. So, and it was in great disrepair, as you saw. Fun to give it a new life. Little velvet trim there. I just thought that reminds me of the Renaissance cut velvet. This was that page that I cut them down and glued them together, and I just put this lovely tag in there. I love that tag. Very happy with how that turned out. But there were so many elements in the kit, in the add-on kit especially, that you could do so many fun things. That's one of my first things I made, with a little tag in there. And then we've got a tuck here and tag with a tuck there. So many things you can do. So much fun. Really a lot of fun. And there's that one. Just a little cluster there to decorate that page. And I like the birds there because there's the bird bath or the fountain. And then that's, oh, this one opens, that's right. Got to remember that. So that opens. See, I wouldn't have remembered that if I didn't put that little tab there. And I liked putting these here as tabs on the corners of the page too. I think they're fun. And it was very fun to use the some Florentine papers in there as well. Just some washi down there. And then this one opens, so it's a window there, and then a lovely tag there. Tab. So much fun, Jaff. Thank you so much for letting me play with this. I made this tag. This was made out of one of the papers that I had used a little bit for the collage paper. That's one of the tags that I made a side tuck, and I love all those colours together. And I collaged a bit of, so I used everything, and I collaged a bit of paper there. And that's a little journal card. So literally all that I've got left from the add-on are those that I haven't used yet. So, I mean, amazing. Amazing kits they are. And that's a pocket. So, oh wait, I need to have this just sticking out slightly so you can see it in the pocket. That's a bit of fun. Just extra paper that I had used a bit of it in the collaging. Now this was the flip out it folds out like this. So there were 3 tags. Rather than separating them, I just put some tea-dyed paper down the center and then made them a tri-fold with avocado dyed paper on the other side. I could put a little bit of washi down there. Why don't we do that? That's a good idea. We'll put this one, I think, if I can find, because I rip it off in the most weird way because I like tearing it. I can't find where the beginning is. I think the beginning's around here somewhere. Here we go. I'll just tear it here. Just put a little strip. Doesn't have to be a big strip. And just stick that on there to decorate it. I think that's very pretty. William Morris washi tape there. Okay, there's a little add-on for you. There's a pocket, and I liked it coming just over the edge, and pretty tag. And that was just a little tuck, and I put this little writing spot there. Super pretty. And as I said in my previous videos, you could glue those down and they could also be a tuck as well. We'll have the little eagle sticking out there, and then a journaling card there. And then I made this little one, which could also be decorative on something. Isn't that pretty? Has a little pocket on there, and that flips out. Just use that to make a little tab. I made this into a side tuck, and these were 2 little journaling cards that I just made into a little booklet. Not a booklet, there's no pages, but you know what I mean, opens out. And then at the back we've got this pocket, which has one of my antique letters in there just to back it. But Jaff does provide the ovals that you could put there. But when you cut them down, they're not necessarily perfect, so you kind of need to back it with something, because you know your cutting's not exactly, well, my cutting's not perfect. So that's got a tag in there, and then I put this yummy tag that I absolutely love. I think I made that one. No, that was a tag provided by Jaff. Those were those little squares, and I put it as the tab at the top, and this was 2 journaling cards that I kept together, and I made one side a tuck with a little tag in there, and the other side flips out and writes. You can write on there. So there you have it. So I love, 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 love playing with those kits. Thank you so much, everybody, for sticking with me and watching it, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you feel inspired with what to do with all of the wonderful things that Jaff provides in her kits. And obviously, if you have her other kits, you certainly can, you know, adapt them to what was done with these 2 kits here. And thank you so much, Jaff, for letting me play with these. They're just wonderful. This journal is spoken for, so you won't see it listed in my shop. So thank you, everybody, and I will see you again with the next project. Bye.